Welcome to Inception News.
Hours ago, the Supreme Court ruled in favor of the U.S. military in a 6-3 ruling Korematsu v. U.S., upholding Executive Order 9066 given in 1942 by FDR, which ordered all Japanese, including citizens, to internment camps on the basis of national threat to the U.S.
Issued Executive Order 9066. The order gave the military the ability to detain and arrest all Japanese ancestry citizens, or not, and move all the West Coast Japanese residents to the interior U.S. In 1944, Fred Korematsu refused to leave his San Leandro, California home to an internment camp. After he was convicted, he appealed, but not all the way, and the U.S. military was a respondent, and he was a plaintiff in the following cases. Supreme Court of Justice Stone ordered to review the case of the grant of century. The majority opinion, as written by Justice Black, was that sometimes pressing public necessity may sometimes justify the existence of such restrictions. Racial antagonism never can. The dissenting opinion, the first one, as Justice Jackson wrote, Korematsu has been convicted of an act not commonly thought a crime. It consists merely of being present in the state whereof is a citizen in the place where he was born, and where all the life has lived. Justice Jackson stated that the country's wartime need did not outweigh civil rights, and therefore it should not be unconstitutional to do so. Although later in Jackson's dissent, he said that in time of war, the military would maintain their power to arrest citizens, and the Supreme Court could do nothing to stop it. The second dissenting opinion, as written by Justice Owen Roberts, said the relocation centers were prisons. It also said the prejudice aimed towards the Japanese have been there for years in that society, and that was what the response case was over. It was unconstitutional, in the dissenting opinion 3, and racist, because it had no martial law, and therefore the military could not have the ability to arrest. In the decision in favor of the U.S. military, it means the U.S. military retains the ability to arrest all citizens or not in areas of war as designated by the Secretary of War or by officers appointed by the Secretary of War. U.S. military, one because of their duty to protect the national, defense of the United States. Upside down with this co-host Daisy, a beautiful cat, and his hair, his fabulous hair. I'm here to talk about the citations for this information: pbs.org, law.cornell.edu, and our textbook. And I have nothing else to say. Why do I have nothing else to say? Seriously, I'm a famous co-host for Newsink. Why do I have 3 lines to say? That doesn't make sense. Why would you ever do that? Those beautiful co-hosts.